That's my Xbox that you broke.
What the fuck's
Where'd
going
you
on
get it
here?
from? I mean, I fixed it today.
Yeah, but you were supposed to do job interviews today too.
Yeah, look at what I'm wearing. I did do it. I applied. And now I can play video games because I'm going to have a job.
Where did you get the money for it?
I have money. Birthdays, Christmas.
Yeah, that doesn't count. I know you're out of money. Where'd you get the money?
Your mom.
Your mother?
Mom gives me
Your
money.
mother gave you?
Yeah. Dad! Dad!
Holy fuck.
Dad!
Holy shit.
Hey, how am I going to go to work, huh? How the fuck am I going to go to work?
Holy shit.
Are you go? Get the fuck out of here! Are you kidding me? Dad just listened. Dad is holy shit! What the
Oh
fuck?
my god.
Oh, Dad! Oh, oh, fuck! Do you realize how dangerous this is? Fuck! Get me out of here! There's glass everywhere!
Where's the key?
I don't want to do this anymore! Fucking just take them! Fuck! Stop filming this! This isn't entertaining for all you people watching! Fuck! This costs a lot of money! Dad! Dad! What are you doing? Hey! Dad! I need this! I need this! Fuck! Fuck! What the hell are you doing? Dad! Dad!
Oh my god.
Ah!
Your mind starting tomorrow. You're mowing lawns. You're gonna make a living.
I don't want to mow lawns!
Tough.
I don't want to be your slave! What am I? Ah! And you don't even care! Fuck! And you laugh! And you laugh! God, I fucking hate this shit! Fucking clown shoes! Fuck! 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 Fuck!
You gonna get bath?
You fucking piece of shit! I fucking hate you!
Adult life.
You know what? If I'm gonna get my car destroyed, I'm gonna destroy this goddamn camera! Come here!